Hi Shruti, how are you, ma?
I'm good.
What are you doing in school, Shruti, now? Yeah, everything is done, right?
Yeah.
So, what are you doing?
We're doing a project on like data right now.
Oh, okay. 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 How was the detailed assignment, ma, last week?
I was able to do all of it by myself.
Oh, okay, that's good. Did you have any questions on anything?
I don't think so, no.
Okay, so we discussed solving equations, right? We'll solve for literals today. But let me first allow everybody to come in. How are you, Devansh? Did you finish your
Miss
star?
Priya.
Yeah, I did.
How was it?
It was good. It was fine.
Wow. Did you have any questions that you did not know, Devansh?
Well, no, I don't think so.
Not really. Okay. Okay, Krish, when is your SAS testing?
My max SAS testing, I think it's in a week or two.
Oh, okay.
Because we just had our ELA SAS last week.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, good to know. ELE is done now. ELE is done now.
I did the writing, but I haven't done the reading yet.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm going to go over solving for literals today, but I don't see some of you there. I don't know what is going on. Let's see. I'll just first admit everybody. There are many people who have not come in as well. I don't know why. Arya Sricharan, I have a question to you.
Yeah, hello.
You're preparing for geometry?
No, I thought we were gonna do it, but we missed the time window.
No, even if you miss the time, and I really want to talk to your mom. Okay, if possible, soon after this class also works.
Okay.
Okay, I really want to talk because yeah, I have something on that. Okay, so let's go over. Let me ping 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. Okay, how about this? Let's go ahead and do this one. Let me share my screen. Okay, so today let's at least get this done. This is a part of algebra 1. So let me know, guys, how many of you are not taking algebra 1 next year? How many of you in this class are not going to take algebra 1 next year? How many of you are not taking algebra 1 next year? I really want to know. Please raise your hand using the raise hand button. That tells me a lot. Use the raise hand button to raise your hand if you're not going to be taking algebra 1 next year.
Miss Priya, for me it depends because I'm taking a test for it.
You're taking a test for
Yeah.
Algebra 1?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, if you pass that, you will go to geometry, is it?
I think.
Okay, but then you have to communicate with me. Keep in constant communication with me. Okay, after the test. When is your
Okay.
test?
Uh, I don't know. I think it's in 1 or 2 weeks.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Keep me posted. Naman, I know your case. Okay, I really want to talk to you at the end of the class, Naman.
All
Okay,
right.
yeah, let's go ahead. Okay, how about this? Give me 1 second. Okay, Jeevanashri, you're going to have your video on, right? Siddharth, you don't have your video on as well. You know, right? You have to have your video on.
Can I get my journal?
Yes, please bring it. Okay. So guys, suppose you know equations, okay? Per right now at your grade level, you know how to solve equations, okay? So basically, if I give you this, you will be able to solve, right? Now, suppose if I give you a lot of variables, v equal to 4 by 3 pi r square. If I give you this, right? Suppose if I ask you, hey, solve, there are two variables. V is a variable, R is a variable. They've already given the formula for V. Solve for R. If they give you like this, right? That's a little different. Meaning, we are solving, this is called solving for variables or literals. Solving for variables or literals. This is what we will get started in algebra 1. So we will solve for a particular variable or for a literal. Let's see here. So they've given this, right? V equal to, it's just like solving equations. But the thing is, since they're asking for R, we will bring this equation given to a format R equal to. For that, what do I need to do? You see, this is there, this is there, this is there. No other terms. Shri Hari, you cannot switch off your video during the class, ma. So you have three different things attached to this variable. However, there is no other term on that side. So I'll go ahead. First, I need to take this out, 4 by 3. 4 by 3 has been multiplied with r square. So I'll multiply by 3 by 4 on both sides. If I multiply by 3 by 4 on both sides, I get this will get cancelled, this will be simplified, it becomes pi r square. Now the next one to be taken is pi, divide by pi. Now, you know r square will be equal to 3 by 4 pi. What do I do to find out r? Take square root on both sides. You get r will be equal to, what did I have? 1 second, guys. R will be equal to 3v, I missed the v. So 3 by 4 v, right? Like 3v by 4 pi, square root of 3v by 4 pi. Any questions? So this is called solving for literals or solving for variables. They will clearly tell you which variable to solve for. Now, suppose if I give you LWH will be equal to V. If I ask you for solve for H, what do you do? If I ask you to solve for H, what will you do? Divide by LW on both sides. When you divide by LW on both sides, you get H equal to V by LW. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Who has a question? Devansh, tell me.
No, I don't.
Jeevanashi, I'm not able to see you at all, Amma. I don't know whether you understand or not. So I have to clearly see you as well. Devansh, what was your question?
I didn't have a question.
Okay. Can I go ahead? Okay. Now, you understand solving for literals a little bit now, but I'm going to give you something else. Let's say. Now, you're going to solve for C equal to F. C. F is equal to 9 by 5c. You know what is this? What is the relation that I am talking about? Do you know what is this relation? What is this relation I am talking about? Have you come across this?
Fahrenheit and Celsius.
Yeah, Fahrenheit and Celsius. If I ask you now, I'm going to ask you to solve for C. Can you send the answer to me? Can you send the answer to me? We are starting with easier ones. Let's go ahead. Did you get it?
Miss Priya, I don't really get how to solve for two variables.
Oh, no worries at all.
I don't really understand it.
Okay, Naman, and who else did not understand?
Me.
Was it Siddharth? Okay. Okay, the others, whoever understood, right? Can you go ahead? Whoever understood, can you go ahead? Let me see.
Priya, I put my answer in chat.
Yes. Krishiv. Krishiv, what is that, Krishiv? How did you get that?
It's because I don't know what F is.
Yeah, Jashvita, but you can't have like this, right? What is that? You have to simplify and tell me, right? Okay, one thing what I notice here very commonly is, first of all, okay, let me first see what are the other answers and then come back. Oh, wow.
Wait, I realized a mistake that I did.
Arya Sricharan, you got it. Shruti, did you get it?
Not really.
Not really, no problem. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go ahead with this. We'll slow down a little bit, okay? First of all, I want to solve for C. So what do you think I should do? First, what will I do? I should never touch this. Whatever it is asking, whatever they are asking, right? This is called a term. Whatever is separated by pluses and minuses are terms. I'll never touch the term which has this 9 by 5C. Okay. Now, what is that's not required? Then we'll have to remove all the terms other than that variable term from that side. This side has that C. Okay. I'm not going to touch the 9 by 5C. But there is a plus 32. So how do I remove it, Pranav? What should I do to remove the plus 32?
Put it on the other side, or like subtract
Yeah.
by 2.
Minus 32 on both sides. So that will become a 0. F minus 32 will be equal to 9 by 5C. Any questions? Any questions still here? Okay. Now I'm good. Now I have this term still. Okay. There is no other term on that side. The only thing I'll have to remove is the 5 first. There is a division by 5. C has been divided. C is what you are going to solve. With the C, what is the relation for 5? It's divided by 5. So you know what I'll do? I'll multiply by 5 to remove it. If I multiply by 5, 5 in the numerator, 5 in the denominator will get cancelled. This side as well, it will be, entire thing has to be multiplied by 5. So you need to use a parenthesis. Now 9C will be equal to 5 times F minus 32. Now what do I do to remove the 9? 9 has been multiplied with C. See the relationship between the variable and the numbers. It's multiplied, so you divide. So the answer is C will be equal to 5 by 9 times F minus 32. Any questions, guys? Jeevanashri, are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go ahead and do a simpler one. I don't want surface area will be equal to pi r L. Solve for L. Okay, just raise your hand if you think you can solve this. Just raise your hand if you think you can solve this using the raise hand button. That is the easier one for me, right? That's the easier way to understand what the class is feeling. Or if you don't feel like you can solve it, you need not raise. Absolutely fine. If you think you can solve, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand if you think you can solve. You just need to remove the pi and the r. Okay, there are so many people who say they can't. Okay, let's see. Shruti, do you think you can?
Probably not. Yeah,
Why?
I want to see like one more to like see if I fully understand it.
Sure. Okay, sure. So let's go ahead and then solve together. I'm going to solve for this as well. I have to solve for L. Okay, is there any terms? No. Only when they are separated by plus and minus there are terms. There is no other term to remove first. Before I touch this term that has the L, there is no other term for me to remove. So directly surface area is pi RL and L is associated with the pi and the R I know. So I will have to attack this term. My L only should stay on one side, right? The rest of it should be removed. See what is the relationship between each. L is multiplied by R. So divide by R on both sides. So surface area by R will be equal to pi L. Now I have to remove the pi. Pi is multiplied by L, so you divide by pi, divide by pi. So what happens? L will be equal to surface area by pi R. Any questions? Okay.
I think I get it now.
Yeah, I'll do 2-3 more, then you will be comfortable with what you're doing, with what we are doing as well. So I will do 2 more and then ask a couple of you. Mx equal to p plus n. Mx, I'm going to do it on the board, okay? P plus n. Suppose if I ask you to solve for, what shall we solve for?
X.
X, okay, good pick. Okay, if you want to solve for x, what do I do? That's easy. Solving for x is very easy, Sri Hari. Okay, x. This is the only term on this side. Okay, there is no other term to first remove. Plus and minus is not there. So I will attack directly this term. The last thing I'll attack is the term with the variable. Okay, now m. See the relationship between m and that variable that you need to solve. M. M is multiplied with x. So divide by m. Divide by m. Fully divide by m. Okay, so x will be equal to p plus n by m. Any questions?
Wait, Miss
No.
Priya,
Go ahead, Srihari.
for like when we like, do we always have to like if we multiply or divide a term, that like so like it cancels out and it gets moved to the other side. We always have to do it on like to the whole thing.
Should I divide the whole thing? Yes. In this case, yes. But this side has many terms to it. Okay, this side does not have any other term, so you're dividing by m. So the same thing, entire thing you're dividing by m, same thing you have to do on the other side. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Suppose for the same question, if I'm asked to solve for p, what do I do?
A minus n.
Yeah, minus n on both sides. So that's it. P will be equal to mx minus n. Okay, now let's see this one. I'm going to solve more, I said. I'm going to solve 2 or 3 more and then only give it to you. Okay, so how about this? I'm going to solve... I want to... 1 second, guys. Okay, how about this? Z equal to mx plus yx. Z equal to mx plus yx. Solve for, somebody pick. Which variable shall we solve and see? Any variable pick, guys.
X.
X. Oh, X, that is the hardest. Okay, solve for X. The problem is, X is just like that present everywhere. That's so hard. I want only one X. I can't solve for X when there are multiple X's. So I need to combine them. How do I combine them? Any thoughts, guys?
Will be 2x.
Add them together and then you get 2x.
Add them
Yeah.
together? Do I get 2X? No.
Multiply together.
The problem is, I can see adding them together is correct, but how to add that? You know, distributive property, reverse of distributive property. Take the x as common.
Square.
Z. No, take out x as common.
Oh, so you get m plus y.
You get m plus y. Because take this x out here. M remains, okay? And then a plus. And then again, you have taken that x out, so y remains. Now we got it. We got a term with only one x. It's easy to solve. However, what makes it difficult is, You don't have any other terms. There's no plus and minus. See, this is only multiplied with this term, with this number, whatever it is, m plus y. But I don't have anything plus and minuses. So I have to attack this term that has x. How to separate that x? X is multiplied with what? M plus y. So how do I remove it?
Divide by m plus y.
Exactly, divide by m plus y on both sides, whatever you do. So this gets cancelled. X will be equal to z by x plus y. Jeevanashri, are you following, ma?
Yeah.
A little or more or none?
A little.
A little. Okay. We'll see. How about this? Can you help me with this? I'm going to solve the harder pieces more, okay? But from your end, can I ask you to solve u will be equal to minus 3a plus 2. U will be equal to minus 3a plus 2. Solve for a. Take your time, okay? Which side is a present? Check. In that side, are there any terms to be removed? Before attacking that expression with a, right? Remove all what is not required.
That's my answer.
That's my answer.
Yes, ma'am. Oh wow. Vihan, that's correct. Shruti, that's correct. Devansh, you have to solve for A. A only has to be on one side.
Okay.
Yeah, Netra, correct, ma. Shrestha, again, for you as well, A only has to separately stand on one side. That is solving for A. Srihari, I'm waiting for your answer. Jashwita. Jashwita, where is Y, ma? I don't see any Y there.
Miss Priya, what do you mean? I put A equals.
You put 3A equal to, right, ma, Shrestha?
No, I put A equal to.
And now you changed it, correct.
I accidentally put Y instead of U.
I see. Krishiv, can you do it on the board? Where is 5? I don't see any 5 there. Where did you get? Krishiv, you have to defend yourself for every action you do with the equation. You cannot be unfair to the numbers. Can you see, please?
I just did
If you be unfair to the number, I'll question you.
wait, I know what I did wrong.
Yeah, I know. So can you correct it? Devansh, can I get yours? Jeevanashri, where are we, ma?
Miss Priya, did I get it right?
Who was that? Sorry. Naman, did you do?
Yeah.
That is correct. Jeevanashri, even if you don't, okay, the way class works, ma, you can chat with me. Do you know how to chat with me, Jeevanashri?
Yeah.
Okay. So, you can always tell me, Auntie, I did not get it. Can you please work it out on the board? Anything works with me, but I really want to understand where you are, okay? Keeping quiet does not help you or me. So, I would really like you to answer something. You don't need to say the answer at all. Auntie, this is what I got. Let it be wrong, does not matter. But I really want to get something from you. Got it, ma?
Miss Priya, I still kind of don't get it.
You still kind of don't get it. That's fine. It's absolutely fine, I'm saying. But please, like this, say, Siddharth, very nice of you to say that.
Miss Priya, did I get mine right?
I thought I said for everybody. Okay, there are two new answers. Okay. Krishiv, where is this 1.5 coming, Krishiv? Krishiv, can you work out on the board, Krishiv?
Wait, but wouldn't
Devansh,
3
one,
divided by 2
what
be
ma?
1.5?
What ma?
Wouldn't 3 divided by 2 be 1.5?
3 divided by 2?
It would be 1.5, right?
But why would you divide 3 by 2, ma? There is a plus 2, right? You see what I mean, huh? There is a plus 2.
I should distribute it.
What is it, ma?
Like, I should reverse distribute, right?
Okay, I'll help you. I'll help you. 1 minute, ma. I don't know where it is.
Wait, no, I know.
So first, Krishiv,
It's like
let me work with you.
when
Yeah.
you do A
Hmm.
and negative 3.
But you, okay, good question. Krishiv, you cannot take the A as common. This does not have the A, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so what do? First of all, don't even touch the expression that has the variable to solve. What should you remove first?
And 2
How will you remove the 2?
minus 2.
Good job. Can I erase yours?
Yeah.
Okay. So what will you do first?
Subtract 2.
Yeah, you got it. See? U minus 2 will be equal to minus 3a. What do you do, Krishiv, now? There is no other term. I have to attack my term. Correct?
Yeah.
So what should you remove now?
Divided by negative 3.
That's it. Divide by negative 2. Okay, divide by negative 3, sorry. Divide by negative 3. So you get the a on this side. But you know what? There is a negative sign in the denominator. None of you solved that. Meaning, everybody got it right. This is correct. But I don't want the negative sign on the denominator, you know. I want to take it up. If I take it up, what happens? If I take it up, this becomes minus u, this becomes plus 2. You know why? See, u minus 2 divide by 3, right? Minus 3, right? Multiply by minus 1, multiply by minus 1. That's what you're doing. If you multiply by minus 1, you're distributing that, right? Minus u plus 2 divided by 3. So, a will be equal to minus u plus 2 divided by 3. Jeevanashri, are you getting it?
Mm-hmm.
Naman, did you get it?
I mean, kinda, yeah.
Kind of. Where did you not get it?
I still don't understand why you put the plus sign there.
Which plus sign? You can show me on the board. It is your board as well. You can.
I understand it now. You take that plus and swap it.
You got it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Vihan, you got it? Vihan, I'm not getting a nice expression from you that you got it. So I really wanted to.
Yeah, I submitted my answer.
Oh, you submitted your answer. Okay. Okay. Now let me go ahead and try. You know what? 1 second. Where was I giving you problems from? Yes, I have it. Okay. Now let me ask you this. C by x equal to r plus d. C by x equal to r plus d. Don't worry about it. We are just starting algebra. Okay. So solve for maybe x. If you don't know, just send me the message. If you are very worried about telling it out, right? You can just say, hey auntie, I'm not working. I am just fed up. You can just say it in chat.
Miss Priya, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, absolutely. Krishiv, let's reason out, Krishiv. We have to solve for x, right? X is unfortunately in the denominator. We have to bring it to our numerator. Then only you can solve. X has to stand by itself. It cannot be in the denominator. So what do? Bring it up, Krishab. I will help if you didn't get it, but I want a message. Naman, same thing. X should be brought to the numerator. Sreshta. Can you redo, ma? Your way is correct, but you did a mistake. Same problem, Jashwita. Jashwita and Sreshta. Okay, you don't get it. Srihari, okay. Okay, this one, why don't I solve, guys? This one looks like I should solve. Okay, this one, I feel like I should solve, guys. Yes, multiply. Good job, Jeevanashri. Very nice. Okay, multiply by x on both sides. I don't want the x to be down beneath. Let me write it down. This and this will cancel. C will be equal to, please guys, this is r plus d. Immediately when you multiply by something, when they are split by plus and minus, you should use parenthesis. You know, if you don't use parenthesis, you know what happens? The x gets attached only to the d, but the x has to get attached to r plus d. Please remember to add the parenthesis. Now, I have to solve for x. What should I do, Pranav?
You have to do is you have to distribute it to subtract it by.
Okay, let's come to the term. This is my term, right? It's only multiplied. Only see this and this. One thing, guys. 2x in this expression, 2 is multiplied by x, right? 2 is a factor. X is called a factor. Okay, this is a term. Whenever I have a plus 3y, this is another term. Each term has a factor, it has a factor. 3 is a factor of the term, y is a factor of the term. 2x plus 3y, these are two different terms. You got it? Now, whenever there is multiplication between two numbers or variables, then they become factors. When you look at this, right, this is a plus. I don't deny it. But then think about r plus d is a number, x is a number. How to separate the x? What do you do to separate r plus d and x? See what is the operation between the variable and our number.
Do we divide?
Do you divide by what?
X.
X.
R and D. R plus D.
Yeah.
Yeah, you divide by r plus d.
Yeah.
Because I want x to separate out. X will be equal to c by r plus d. Make sense? C divide by r plus d. Sreshta, Jashwita, did you get that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ishan, you're so quiet that I really doubt whether you're listening. Are you? See, you're also switching tabs. That puts me under pressure. Are you listening? Yes? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I rely on you. Particularly, usually you answer, okay? If you don't answer, that puts me under pressure, 100%. And you're switching tabs as soon as I ask. That really puts me under a lot of pressure. Okay. Okay, I really want to give you things like this. Okay, how about this? U equal to minus u equal to 4 plus 3x. Minus u equal to 4 plus 3x. Solve for x. Take your time, guys, but this is the only thing I want you to learn nicely today. Let's see.
Miss Priya,
Mm-hmm.
we don't have, could we add like the 4 plus 3 so then we get 7 and then divide it?
Good question. Good question. Okay, very nice. Vihan is asking, can't I add that 4 plus 3? Think about this, Vihan. First of all, you have learnt PEMDAS, right? Will PEMDAS allow you to add that?
Yeah.
What should you do first? You should first multiply, right?
Yeah.
So 3 and x are multiplied, right? So you don't know x. So there 3x and 4 are not like terms. When can you see? When you have 3x and a 4x, you can add them. When you have 3 and a 4, you can add them. When they are like terms, you can add. But the thing here is, as I said, right, this is a human being. Consider this as a human being. Consider this as another human being. Now, you cannot take the hand of him and join with this. You get it?
Yeah.
So 3x is a single individual. 4 is an individual. Okay.
Oh.
But they both are not alike. So you cannot add them and you can't do anything with them. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So
I didn't realize that it was 3x. I thought it was just like 4 plus 3 times x.
Oh, then in that case, I would have given like this. You got it?
Yeah, okay. Got it. Yeah.
Whenever you have to add first, we use parenthesis. But good question, because that might be the question for many of you for sure. Go ahead. What did I do?
Is my answer right, Miss Priya?
Yeah. I'll check. 1 minute.
I have a question.
Yeah, please ask.
After like I subtracted a 4.
Yeah,
like
let's do it together. You
It's
subtracted a 4. I got this. Then what did you do?
Then I divided by 3.
Correct. Perfect. But then this side, what happens? The whole side you're dividing. Whole side you need to divide. Make sense?
So for the top one, would I just multiply? Would I just multiply each by a negative for the top, or do I leave it?
No, I won't, because you know what? It's fine to multiply by a -1, but then the denominator will become a -3, right? So I prefer having the numerator with a negative. You got it?
Okay. So I should only change that whenever it's like a
when the denominator is a negative, we change usually. That's it's nothing wrong, okay, with the denominator being negative, but usually we express answers not with negative denominators. Only numerator will be negative. If you have a negative denominator, you switch it to numerator.
Okay.
Makes sense. Vihan, that was incorrect, right, Vihan?
How? Can you explain? Oh, I think. Wait. Oh, wait. Shoot, I get it.
You cannot take the hand of one person and join with the other person.
Is my answer correct, Miss Priya?
Wait, I'm checking everybody's. Okay, Netra, correct, ma.
True.
Yeah, please go ahead. Srihari, that is incorrect. Where is the minus?
Oh, yeah.
-4 minus you. You cannot change the. Yeah, Sreshta, that's correct. Srihari, did you understand why you cannot change? Naman, correct.
Yeah.
Arya.
I thought it would conflict with the dividing thing, but it didn't.
It didn't actually. Correct. Yeah, correct. You're right. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you a couple problems, okay? Let's see how you do. Can I give you a harder one, guys?
Sure.
Okay, I'll give you a harder one. If you don't know, it's okay. Jeevanashri, I'm not probing you for answers right away today, but I will ask. Indian, I don't know, Indian, no answers from you and Ishan. What is going on with you both? Ishan and Indian, I'll be expecting your answers. Okay, now there are 2 questions on the board. I'm going to put down the question numbers. Please follow the question numbers and then solve. Okay, this you're solving for x, this you're solving for a. Hey, when we see, I am thinking that this entire class is going to get to algebra 1, right? Now that we have completed most of our targets for grade 7, grade 8 advanced class, right? So I am slowly getting you through to solve equations and solving for a single variable, which is a part of algebra 1. Okay. Got it? Yes, ma. Inian, go. Ah, that is right. Netra, can I request something to you, Netra?
Yes.
Okay, not to you. Everybody has to understand. Okay, guys, please 1 minute listen. Z by m plus y is different from z by m plus y. You know, this m plus y is the denominator here. Here, z by m plus y. This is different. Both are different. So if ever you want m plus y in the denominator, it has to have a parenthesis. Do you get it, Netra?
Yes, I understand.
Okay.
Wait, Miss Priya,
Mm-hmm.
the board for a second.
What is it, ma?
Can I draw on the board?
Yeah, please, you
Okay.
can.
So could we also do this? Think was it so like this?
Do it on the board.
Miss Priya, I don't understand the first one.
Could we do
No problem, ma. I'll do, ma.
could we do this?
For which one?
No, it's just like asking. Like, is this correct?
Did you solve any of the question 1 or 2?
Yeah.
Where did this come from? Meaning, I'm not getting what you have written. Can you elaborate?
No, I'm just like asking. Cause like I saw it on some like past questions and I
Okay. 2 by m, what are you asking? Times, what is that?
Plus y.
Plus y.
Uh-huh.
This means what? This is nothing but it's 2 by m plus y. You got it?
Yeah.
This is not the same as 2 by m plus y. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. But you can write like this. Yes. Parenthesis can separate anything. Okay?
Miss
Yeah.
Priya, could you help me a bit on the second question?
Yeah, second question. Yeah. Solve for x means x is split across several terms. Take it out as common. Vihan, did that give you a clue?
So then you just like, I mean, not really.
Okay. Take that x as common. When you take x as common, what happens?
Then you could multiply. Put the parentheses like and y inside of it.
Parenthesis, and then here what happens? You took out only x. What remains?
M.
M. After that you copy this plus. Then what remains?
Y.
Y. Now that is equal to z. How do you solve for x now?
Divide m plus y.
Divide by m plus y. So what happens? X will be equal to z by m plus y. Guys, when you send it in the computer, right? When you send it in chat window, right? Please don't send it to me like this. This is incorrect. Put it like this. M plus y. Make sense? This is correct. This is incorrect.
Miss Priya,
Yes.
I need help with the first one.
First one. Can we go ahead?
Yeah.
Are you here, Jeevanashri? Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. Coming to this one. She's okay. We have to solve for A. That is the most difficult one I have ever come across. A is just like that split in the numerator, split in the denominator. Numerator is also added. Oh my god. But I need to bring all my A terms together. Okay. First of all, fractions are killing when it comes to solving for variables, right? Fractions are killing. I don't want fractions. So let me get rid of the fraction by multiplying by CA on both sides of the equation. When I do that, CAG will be equal to A plus B times AC. Any questions?
Why would it be?
1 minute, guys. 1 minute, guys. Did I make a mistake?
Okay, when you
1
multiply
minute.
by CA, you remove the denominator.
G equal to 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, what I did was right?
You forgot to switch the AC into CA.
AC 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2, right? They're commutative.
Okay.
Okay, now I can delete this, right? Now CAG equal to A plus B. What do I do? A is here, A is here. So what do I do? I have to bring them together, meaning I have to have only one A, right? So can I subtract A on both sides? CAG minus A will be equal to B. Now what do I do? Somebody now tell me. I brought all the A's to one side. I will always try to put out my like terms to the same side. Now what do I do? What do I do? I have to solve for A. Can I take out the A? If I take out the A, what happens? What remains, guys?
CG.
CG. A went out. So what will remain? 1. Good job. 1. A times 1 is A. Will be equal to B. Now what do I do to solve for A?
Divide by CG minus 1.
Exactly. Divide by CG minus 1. A will be equal to B by CG minus 1. Make sense? That was the most difficult question for today.
How did you get 1?
Okay, how did I get a 1? Let's find this out, okay? 2 plus 4, okay? 2 plus 4 is there, okay? In this 2 plus 4, instead of saying 6, I like to make it the harder way. Let me take out 2 as common. When I take out 2 as common, how do I do it? 2 times what is 2? 1. Do I do that?
Yeah.
Plus 2 times what is 4?
2.
2. I can write it out as 2 times 3 and then say as 6. You see how complicated I am making like that when I have 4x. What was that? It was there. Okay, when I have 4ab plus b. B is common to both the terms. I want to take b out. When I want to take b out, what remains? 4a. See, basically what you're thinking is b times what is 4ab? B times 4a is 4ab. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Then
Yeah.
plus b times what is a b?
1.
1. That's why you got a 1. Got it?
Oh, yeah. I get it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Now we'll solve. See, this was the hardest problem for today. Okay. Let's see. Let's
Miss Priya?
see. Yeah, ma.
Can I go to the bathroom real quick?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and come back quickly. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to easier equation. My intent is not to frustrate you. Okay. But let's go back to easier equations. Let's be comfortable first. How about this? A is equal to P times 1 plus RT. A is equal to P times 1 plus RT. Okay, the same question we'll have. Okay, first let's solve for P. Okay, second let's solve for R. Third, let's solve for T. Can we try?
Isn't this an interest form?
Yeah, correct. Oh wow, Arya Sricharan, you have all the answers. Wait, I'll do one by one, okay? One is correct, Arya Sricharan. Two is solve for R. Solve for R means A by B minus. Arya Sricharan, that's not simplified, right? You're giving me work, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
How do you simplify? A by P minus 1 by R, it should be simplified, right?
I did A divided by P minus 1 in parentheses divided by R.
Yeah, but then you cannot have a fraction within a fraction, right? You can never have a fraction within a fraction. Okay, let's say I have 1 by 9. Can you give the answer as 1 by 9 divided by 2 by 8? Nobody is going to accept your answer, right? You have a fraction within another fraction. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Think about it. You know better. You know how to divide fractions. Okay, can I do it on the board, guys? How many of you would like me to do it on the board? Correct, Ma. Jashwita, you got the first one. First one is a little easy. Second one is a little hard. I want to do the second one on the board. Yeah, Netra, the next step is only hard, right, Netra? Whatever you have given is not the answer, though. Did you see that? Okay. Solve for P is very easy. Okay. Divide by 1 plus RT. Divide by 1 plus RT. So you get P is equal to A by 1 plus RT, which is very easy. This is the answer for the A. Ishan, I'm still not comfortable, Ishan.
I don't get it.
Is my second answer correct?
I will check, Ma. Second answer, I thought I'll do it on the board myself.
Oh, okay.
1 second, Ma. Let me do it on the board, Ma. Looks like it's hard. Okay. A equal to P times 1 plus RT is the given equation, guys. I have to solve for R. What is the best way to solve for R? One thing is, can I multiply it? Can I multiply the P inside so it becomes easy on me? P plus PRT will be equal to A. Now is it easy, guys? Yes, it is. Subtract P, you get A minus P equal to PRT. You have to solve for what? Solve for R. So, leave the R, divide by P and T. Divide by P and T. What do you get? R will be equal to A minus P by PT. Make sense, guys?
Yeah. You got the same thing, except I got R equals A minus 1 over PT. That's okay, right?
Vihan, A minus 1 over PT is not correct.
It's not?
No. What you can do is, the other way of representing the answer, if you ask me, is A by PT. The denominator is common. A by PT, then minus 1 by T is okay. You get it?
Yeah, I get it.
That is okay, but you cannot say A minus 1 by PT. You got it?
So I have to put that as P.
Yeah, you have to put that as P.
Got it. Yeah, thanks.
Can I go ahead and give you some easy ones, guys? Okay, I'll give you 5 at a time, but they'll be easy, okay? I don't want to go to harder things now. Let's make ourselves comfortable with solving basic ones, okay? Then we'll go ahead and solve harder problems, okay? So let me make it a little bigger. 1 second, guys. Okay. I'm going to give you 3 problems, okay? I'm going to give you 3 problems. Slowly do, but I am going to check for each of you. I will check the answers for each of you. Devansh, nice to see your answer, Devansh. But take your time slowly.
Huh? What did you say?
Nice to see your answer, I said.
Okay, thank you.
Oh wow, Ishan, nice Ishan. So that tells me you are listening and that helps me a lot. Puts me at peace. Thank you. Naman, you cannot have a fraction within a fraction. First of all, see, then you divide the fraction and tell the simplified answer, Naman. You cannot divide a fraction. You cannot say 1 by 3 by divide by 1 by 2 as the answer. You have to divide and tell me the answer. Shrestha, same thing. You understand, ma? V divide by 1 by 3h. I cannot accept it. You see? Okay, hold on. What is V divide by 1 by 3? V divide by 1 by 3h. What is that? V divide by h by 3. Correct? This is fraction division. You know fraction division, right? Do fraction division and let me know what you should do.
Okay.
So you can never have fraction within a fraction. You will have to do the fraction division, then tell the answer. Yeah. Good job, Inian. Oh wow, good job, Jeevanashri. But did you solve for the first one, ma?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay, ma. Pranav, first one is correct. You're all mixing and matching. Would be nice if you go in order.
Wait, Miss Priya.
They weren't correct, ma. Yes, ma.
Wouldn't BH be like one thing, or is it just like 1/3 times BH times H?
1 by third times B times H is V. You have to solve for B. Make sense? Okay, now Srihari, as I said, right, you cannot divide by a fraction by a fraction. You have to divide, simplify it and tell me the answer. You get what I mean, Srihari?
I don't have the division button.
Huh?
I don't have the division button, so I have to use like.
Yeah, you have the fraction inside a fraction, right? H by V by 3. What is that? You have to do the division and tell me.
Right.
You understand, huh?
Yes.
Okay, good. If you don't understand, you have to ask. Shrestha, that's correct, ma, for the second one. Inian, you switched it to the third one without doing this. Oh, yeah, sorry. Inian, you're right. You're right, ma.
Miss Priya, I have a question.
Yes, ma, Arya, go ahead.
So for the third question, when you multiply both sides by 2 to get 2k equals mv squared.
Correct.
Would mv squared be equal to like mv times mv or mv times v?
Oh, very nice, Arya. mv square here, there's a difference. There's a difference between what I wrote above and this one. When I have the 2 outside, the power 2 applies to m and the v. This becomes m square v square. When the v is not written without the parenthesis and the 2 is only here, right? That means m times v times v. Make sense?
Yeah.
Did I answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, I think all of you are getting it, but I'm really particular about a few of you. Yeah, I think you guys got it. Naman, good job, Naman. Why Pranav? Can you do it on the board, Pranav, the third one? You did it correctly, but somewhere you missed the ball. Can you do it on the board? Ishan, is there any addition there? You have done a subtraction, right? Is there any addition in any of the equations? You have to do the opposites, right? When
For
there
the
is
pi.
multiplication, you have to,
For the pi.
for the pi, 2 times pi times r times h. There's always times only I'm seeing. Yeah, 2k will be equal to mv square. Pranav, you want me to write that?
Yeah.
Okay. 2k is, let me write down. 2k equal to mv square. After that, what did you do, Pranav?
And then I did what mv.
Solve for m, right?
So it would be v squared.
You divided by that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what did you end up with?
So m equals
2k v squared.
2k divided by v square.
Yeah,
But what have you written in your answer? Check.
that's what I wrote.
Arya Sricharan, where did square root come?
Oh wait, I think I accidentally solved for v.
No problem. Arya, Pranav, there is no square root of 2 and all, right, Pranav?
I wrote. Wait.
Oh my god, okay, is it square 2?
Yes.
Oh, okay, v square 2 means SQ. Square root is
Oh.
SQT. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Sreshta, correct, ma. Shruti, correct, ma. Shruti, you can leave, ma. Vihan, I accept your answer, but it's not V2. V square. Okay, guys. One another thing. You're all operating on computers, right? You should know how to type V square 2. This is accepted. You know where is the square? Shift 6. Shift and a 6.
Okay.
This is called a caret symbol. This is called a caret symbol. That is used to indicate square. That caret symbol 3 indicates a cube. Did you all get it? So, did you all understand how to solve for literal simple problems? You're all able to solve now, correct?
Yeah.
So, for the homework, you know what I'll do? I'll give you both simple and medium. Okay, so that will not frustrate you for now. And we have time to learn more as well. Does that make sense, Siddharth and Jeevanashri?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I will give you simple ones and a medium one. Okay. Any other questions? Naman, I wanted to talk to you. If you don't have any questions, right, we'll stop here and I'll see you all next week, guys. Please do the homework and come.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Have a nice week ahead, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
You're going to wait 1 minute, okay? Kunshita, you're going to wait. I'm going to put you to the waiting room. Okay, Kunshita? Kunshita, I'm going to put you in the waiting room. Give me few minutes, okay? Hey, Naman, did you try the CBE thing?